This month's swing, crawl, knee crawl is going to be the rotational swing on the ring. So you just got one ring, just spending 15 seconds aside, winding and unwinding. So you're just getting that nice hollow, side hollow, arch, side hollow, hollow. One way 15 seconds. Another way 15 seconds. So just developing that rotational ability with it. Nice and fun. You can get it pretty explosive, so but usually about 4 forced rotations and then just kind of let it wind and unwind, so you don't spend too long on it. The crawl is actually going to be on the back using the shoulder blades, so it's really a great posterior chain workout movement. So you're going to bring one shoulder blade up, then the other one, and then you'll work with the pelvis as well, working your way along. And then you can go the other way, so you're pulling with the pelvis and that shoulder. Kind of cool, but yeah, great for conditioning all those low-level responses through the spine and really getting that nice spinal mobility and stability. So you're getting that nice tissue tolerance through there to keep a healthier back. The Sissy squat and the hamstring work, so quad and hamstring this month is isometric. So you're just going to try and go down and just hold out of that 30 seconds as much as possible, just holding a position. You go deeper, that's cool. Holding 30 seconds, and it'll probably end up being about 15 to 20 seconds. And you're changing, and then holding the hamstring. You can make that harder by reaching your arms up over the head. In whatever level you're at, if you're just here and that's where you're feeling it, work with it, but keeping the back straight and the legs straight. And we're getting 3 sets of that, 6 minutes.